All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, their information is in my description box. Please go check and see what look they create. We had 2 themes. So you might be seeing a nocturnal animal, or you will be seeing an orange eyeshadow look. Whichever one they pick, please check them out. The information is in my description. Keeping it real fun, I picked to do the nocturnal animal / insect. Nocturnal is someone or something that is active at night. They do everything at night but sleeps during the day. Nocturnal, nocturnal. I picked the firefly. And the firefly has a black outer shell with light brown, and on top of the head has red, and the light that it reflects is a little bit of orange and yellow mixed together. If you look at my eye look, you will see I've incorporated all these colors in my eye look. Well, I picked the firefly because growing up in Dominica back in the 60s and 70s, Dominica had no power. So everything was really, really dark. But walking at night, we'd see these things flying bright and everything. And I remember once I asked my mom, and I was like, what are these things? And I asked my mom, why are these things flying at night and they have bright lights? And she said, it's because they're ghosts. I guess to scare us, so we don't sit outside too long. And in part, what they call it, lalo. So lalo be flying at night, and God forbid it rest on you. You be hitting yourself so hard trying to get it off. It's like we were petrified of lalo. So a firefly in patois is called lalo. So a little bit about lalo, the firefly. These flying insects don't have had 4 wings like many beetles. 4 wings is called elytra. Their elytra are more flexible and soft. The adult lightning bugs rest in the daytime and comes out around dusk or midnight. What is the difference between a firefly and a lightning bug? Southerners and most folks in the Midwest tend to say lightning bug, while firefly is a common term out west and up north in New England. So if somebody say firefly or somebody say lightning bug, they are talking about the same thing. Fireflies glow at night for their safety. They also glow for mating with others. They attract prey by glowing. Not all fireflies that are nocturnal, just most of them. Most fireflies are nocturnal, not all. Fireflies are known for their nighttime light displays, which are caused by bioluminescence or the production of light from special organs on their abdomen. Each species of firefly has a unique flash pattern that helps them identify each other. Some fireflies are diurnal, which means day. They are daylight fireflies. They usually don't glow. Instead, they use chemical pheromones to communicate. So that's why only some are nocturnal. Fireflies are beetles with soft bodies and flattened dark brown or black bodies that are often marked with orange or yellow. Fireflies range from 5 to 25 mm, which is up to 1 inch in length. A little known fact about fireflies. They say if you see a firefly in your house, it means good things are on the horizon. While the meaning of a firefly encounter may differ depending on your culture, a firefly that visits your home is said to be a good omen. Their presence may indicate a healthy environment that attracts good fortune and wealth. So that's a little known fact about fireflies. Again, we call it lalo in Dominica. I don't know if they still call it that. I don't know if they still have them because it's been years. But I picked firefly. And remember, if you're suffering with any mental illness or any other ailment, please seek help. Help is available. Do not dim your light for another. Never stop shining and never stop asking for help. You are important and I want you to know that. Until the next video, please love on you a little bit more each and every day.